Hello everyone, welcome to part two. Okay, so you can see that a moment ago I learned that the application is missing a database file in the uh, app underscore data directory. Okay, so a moment ago I have put a new file, new database file over there. Okay, so it should be working fine. Okay, but then at the same time, in order to let you avoid this problem, I have upload and updated a sample file to Blackboard. So I encourage you to download this one. Try it if you have the same problem like me. Okay, so let me delete this old one. Okay, and then this is the one. Okay, again I mentioned it. Okay, I just downloaded. Okay, the newer one I just downloaded from Blackboard, and let me unzip it one more time. And again, in a real world scenario, it happens. So sometimes the database server has this compatibility problem to open your database file. Okay, so please don't be surprised. Okay, because in a real world scenario, you know that the road is not as smooth as what you expected. Sometimes there are bumpy roads. The sky is not always blue all the time. Sometimes you will find out a storm is coming. Okay, so no big deal. Okay, they are come to pass, not come to stay. All right. Okay, so let's keep moving forward. So I'm going to fire up my Visual Studio 2015 again. There you go. Okay, so I'm going to click File, Open, Project and all Solution, and then navigate to the same location where I just unzip the file and click the solution file and click Open, and let me run the app again. It's loading. Okay, so please be patient. There you go. And let me pull up the assignment sheet over here so you can see that we are at the step 14. Okay, so I'm going to run the app, then click the register link to register this user. Okay, so let me minimize this one. Let me click the browser. There you go, and then select the register. Then I'm going to register the author over here. Since a moment ago I have typed in the this same username already, so that's why the name pop up right away. And then password p at ssw0rt, p at ssw0rt, and then register. Okay, this user, you can see that the upper right corner will change from register to the user's name. In the same time, the login sign or link will change to log off because right now I have logged in already. All right, so I hope that if you have downloaded the updated file, then you should be fine. All right. And one thing I wanted to point out to you is that if you got a chance to look at your software, and then under the Server Explorer, and then you expand the database link under the data connection, then you will find out that the software has created a database for you, and also inside the database it has created the required tables for you. And then under the SPNet users table, if you expand it, again, all the commonly used fields the SP.NET software team has created for you already. So let's take a look of the data table data in there. Okay, and we expect the new user. Okay, we just signed up a moment ago or registered a moment ago. Okay, is there? There you go. Okay, so this is the username, and again, you can see that the password is encrypted. Okay, the password is encrypted. All right. In order to do that, okay, later on, okay, when we assign user roles, okay, then a new entry, okay, in this ASP.NET rows will be created. As of now, we haven't touched that yet. Okay, so that's why it's blank. All right. Okay, so let me go to the next step. All right. Okay, so next section, okay, it said that okay, when you are done, okay, you will be returned to the home page. Okay, so and then log off. Okay, then click the order a product link. This should take you to the order page. So let me do that right now. Okay, let me do that right now. So let me show you my browser. All right. Okay, so over here, okay, he said it. Okay, log off. Okay, so I'm going to click log off. Okay, so you can see that immediately the link here changed to the hello welcome link here changed to register. The log off link changed to log in. And then over the step over here a moment ago the step is said okay, uh, click the order a product link. So this is the order a product link. There you go, and then you will see the order page. Okay, yes, this is the order page even though there are uh, no product information at all, is fine. All right, and then it say go back to the home page. So go back to the home page and click the edit my account link. So there you go. Okay, click the edit my account link. And then since you are not registered yet, all right, okay, you log off already. So it will bring you back to the login page. So okay, which is correct. Okay, which is correct. Okay, yeah. And then okay, let me re-log in myself again. Then you can see that the edit my account okay, a page will show up right now. Okay, so let me type in the password p add ssw0rd and click login. So okay, it will redirect me to the edit my account page. Okay, so you over here I can change my password if I want to. Okay, I can click this manage to do extra stuff if I want to. Okay, but then this just to let you have a feel that okay, if you're going to edit your account you have to log in first. All right, okay, so we have done step 5 already. Okay, step 6 is that log off to return to the home page, then click maintenance users and rows link, okay, which should throw an error. Okay, so okay, let's see what is going to happen. So let me log off, bring us back to the home page. Okay, and then let's click the maintain users and rows. Okay, and it will throw an exception. Okay, so let's see. Yes, which is correct. Okay, it will throw an exception. Okay, yeah. And then over here, okay, the author just say that okay, no worries. Okay, click on the continue button in the Visual Studio to bring up the ASP.NET error page and see the error message. Okay, so actually we have seen the error message already. Okay, so it's fine. Okay, it's fine. And then okay, step 7 is said that in the win.config file, okay, find the connection string, can name a default connection and add a property to this connection string that provide for working with multiple active result sets, and then use figure 20-15 as an example. Okay, as an example. So basically, okay, if you got a chance to look into this page, and this will be the value you will add into this default connection string. Okay, so let me put this one aside, and then go back to my app, and go down to the directory list, find the file win.config, and then if you look at the content, then you can see that yes, there is an entry under the connection strings element. And then the connection string has something that is data source equal to da 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 da. But again, if you got a chance to look into the let me see, look into figure 20-15, then you will realize that all you need to do is you can go to the end over here, and then add this new property, multiple active result sets equal to true. There you go, and then put a semicolon there as well. Yeah. All right. Okay. So let's see, what do we need to do next. So we have done step 7 already, and then it said, okay, click the maintenance users rows and link again. Okay, this time everything should work fine. Okay, and then even you hadn't logged in yet. Okay, so let's try it. So this is my browser. Let me go back here. Click a refresh. Okay, and then click the maintain users and rows.